this is a part of the exam that all students must follow, and it only mentions it one time. So please pay attention to what I will do here. As you can see, it says instructions to candidates. All printouts must have header and footer. The header must contain the activity number. The footer must contain your name, candidate number, and center number. You know how to do this for the Word document. I will just show you how to print various ways in Excel. Okay, this minimum font size is 10, so anything above 10, don't do anything above 14, 10 to 14. All spreadsheet printouts should show grid lines and row and column headers. So I'll just show you how to print using Excel, not Word, because you should know that. Okay, so for example, if we were printing this spreadsheet here, and they just wanted this selection here, so they would say columns A to E, rows 7 to 14. So you select it first if they say that, A to E, 7 to 14. So you select it, then you go to File, Print. Okay, once you're on Print, you go to Print Selection Only. Okay, and then you go to Page Setup, go to Sheet, click on Grid Lines and Row Headings, Row and Column Headings. Okay, then you can see them appear. I'm going to go back to Page Setup. On the Custom Header, I'm going to add Activity Number. So this will most likely be Activity 2. And in the Custom Footer, I'm going to put my name, center number, for example, my candidate number, for example. Okay, ready to print that. That's one way of printing it. A second print option is File, Print Active Sheet, means it will print the whole sheet. Fit the sheet on one page. Okay, but once again you would need to click on Sheet, make sure grid lines and row and column headings are selected. Once you select that on each worksheet, you don't have to keep doing it, but you will have to do it per worksheet. And per worksheet you would also have to put header and footer. Once you do it once on a worksheet, you don't need to do it a second time. For example, if I now only wanted to print, and this could be the second thing, they might say print column F and column K. Okay, rows 8 to 14. So 8 to 14, but column only F and K. What you do is click on G to J, you hide them. Okay, you select let's say 7 to 14, F and K, go to File, Print. Okay, Print Selection, so it's F and K. See, you do not need to do the grid lines and the row and column heading again, because you've done it one time on this worksheet, and don't need to do header and footer again because you've done it one time on this worksheet. But if you need to print this worksheet, obviously this will be the second one you will be doing. So they might say, for example, print columns D to F and KLM. D to F, KLM. So you hide these. Okay, select all of this. Okay, File, Print. Okay, you can see the row and headings are not there because this is a new worksheet. So in the new worksheet, you go to Sheet, Grid Lines, Row and Column Headings, Header, Custom Header, Activity 2, probably maybe 2A or something like that, or 2B. The other one was A. And Custom Footer, put your name, center number 92545, for example, 1010 as an example. Okay, the grid lines you can see appear and the row numbers appear. Okay, this is how you would print. You can also change the portrait to landscape if you need to. The last thing I will show you for printing is in case you need to print a new worksheet. So for example, if they ask you to copy something from here, like they do for example in graphs that you did in IGCSEs, you would make the graph and then you'd print it. Okay, a graph, for example, comparing these. You compare these two graphs. Okay, insert. This could be, for example, the recommendations or another question. You choose the most suitable one. Comparison, always a bar chart is a good comparison. Okay, do your necessary labels. Okay, copy that, make sure you change the title, all the other necessary parts. You go to your new sheet that you created. Here's the new sheet I created. You paste it. Okay, then you go to file, print. Okay, once again you can change it to landscape if you want to. Go to page setup, header footer. You put your header and footer in here. Okay, custom header could be activity 4 even, or activity 2 even, maybe 2C or something like that. Custom 2. Okay, notice I put a full stop here. That doesn't matter, it shouldn't be a full stop, it should be a comma, but don't panic with things like this. As long as you got the information there, that is what they're looking for. They're not looking for you know, a work of art, if you know what I say. They're not looking for perfection here. Your work, the more perfect it is, the better it is. But this, they're just looking for the information to be there. Okay, now it's ready to print. So they're the free print options that you have. As long as you follow that, it should be straightforward.